Okay. Well, this nail here, I doubt I'm going to reuse it because there's not going to be any holding power on it anyway. So if anything, I might use a screw, but I might have to drill a new hole and not use that old hole. And because this is bowed, I've got a nail right here that's holding this from pushing back together a little bit. And I think it's going to be okay if I hit it right there. See? Like that. And I've even got this other one that I chopped off. Oh man, I'm going to cut those off with the hacksaw. Now I'm going to try to take just one out of there. And that's going to help me be able to pull this together somewhat. See, I can get that, and this other nail is kind of holding it too. I'm going to take that one out. Figured that might happen. See, it pulled a little bit of the wood off. But hey, what you gonna do? And now, before I fix this, see, I can push it back together a lot better. Pre-drill a hole in here, sink one in there. Before I do that, I can put a little caulking in here, or crazy glue, or construction adhesive, anything like that. Put it in there before I do that. And I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. See, this paint is just like peeling off of here. Been on here for 20 years. And it's just peeling the back side of the primer off too. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this and see what else I'm gonna have to do to fix this. Mommy came out here and she's like, just replace it. And I'm like, then I have to go to the store and get a piece of wood, cut it at a 45-degree angle, cut the bottom of it off. See, I got to cut that part off at an angle, this part off at an angle to put it in there. And I'm like, I think I can fix it. I'm trying to fix things. And see, it's split right there because there's nails in there. I think if I get this apart, I can reattach all of this stuff, because hey, it's patch is a patch is a patch. Once I get done with this thing, it's going to last until we're ready to tear off those fascia boards. Oh, here we are up here again. Do you remember how much bigger this was? Went way up there, and I pre-drilled a hole, 3-inch long screw, not in the area where it cracked, but down here, and then I angled it to get into there, and then I used my ratcheted drill to suck that in there as far as it could go, and then I came over here and put another screw here in that way, and then I had a couple nails that weren't holding anything. I took them out and I put them back in there to kind of hold that, and that's as good as I'm going to get that. There's still a gap over here, and I'm going to have to caulk that up, but I'm just about ready to hold that other piece up there. Let's try that, and I'll show you what I've done to it.